Hello, hello. So, Los Angeles. Let's see if we can see the skyscrapers or not. So I'm 61 miles away from my from my pickup. I am going to pick up pineapples, pineapples. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Press the notification bell. So in front I have a bridge. It says 14.7. Should be okay. I have 13.6, 13 feet and 6 inches. If you're going to hear a sound, hey, I'll be in trouble. So fingers crossed. I'm going to fit. Yupsy daisy. Hopefully, I'm not going to be stuck. But the truck is 13.6, as I said. So don't worry. Don't worry. No worries. We and the skyscrapers in front. Nice. So look there. The skyscrapers from LA. I'm driving through the village. As a friend of mine was saying, go drive through the village. He was referring at LA as a village. You can say that. Drive through the village of LA. So, what do you think? Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and press the notification bell to be able to know when I'm posting interesting things. Oh my god, I'm driving through the village. Actually, I'm driving exactly through the village, as my friend was saying. Village driving through LA. This will be the name of this video. Driving through the village of LA. Yeah. So, what do you think about LA? You've ever been here? Tell me. Yes, no. Crap, no. Nice. Shitty crap. Hopefully, no low bridge in front. But I can see another truck that drives in front of me, so that's a good sign or not. At least I can see the dust from his trailer if something will happen and he will touch something, so I'll be able to see that. Welsh Fargo, I can see the bank. Welsh Fargo. Welsh. Huh. Nice. Welsh. Still UK, eh? Welsh. They are independent and they are just conquered by everyone. So, another bridge, but it's not low. City side. We are tourists now through LA. A trucker that is tourist through LA. doing some city sides. Oh my god, what's here? I supposed to be paid by the hour, not by the mile.
Be in any of the 3 left lanes.
Loads of bridges and bridges that are crossing this interstate from the center of LA. Look here, nice buildings. So don't forget to like and subscribe to see nice things from North America all around, US and Canada, yeah? Yeehaw! Let's go! No trucks. Nice. Hollywood Freeway towards Ventura. Oh, hold your horses. Come on, guys, let's put some pedal to the metal and go. So 110 Parkway North, Pasadena, no trucks on the right. So no trucks are allowed going out. Yeah. This truck changes the gears like the gearbox is so damn bad. I'm empty and it changes the gear like I'm full loaded. You had some shitty trucks in here, guys. North America trucks are 20 years behind Europe. You think that you're so smart with your Peterbilt long noses, and they are just about the look, and that's it. The performance, where the performance are beginning, your trucks are stopping there. So nice views all around. Nice views. It's good that I'm not driving. My colleague is driving, and I'm able to take the phone, to hold my phone with the hand. So, colleague, how are you? Ah, good. I'm good. Are you driving okay, my colleague? Yeah, good. Then I can record some images, yeah? Yeah, you can. Oh, thank you. Let's go today. My God, what a traffic! But it's LA, yeah. What you can expect for the guys with small cars to move a little faster, and but four-wheelers, go four-wheelers, go! What sleepyheads! In the early 1990s, it was a nice movie. Bud Spencer, not Bud Spencer, but a really big one. that was taking like a Uber on those days. It was a police officer. The traffic in San Francisco, the action is happening, and everything is blocked. And he just got into a truck in a tanker, and that guy was waiting in a queue in some traffic jam. The police officer went inside on the passenger side, and he told him, "Drive. We are in a mission." "Okay, boss." And he was driving, of course, a long nose and pushing all the cars and crashing into all of the cars because they were in a mission to save someone. I remember that movie as it was yesterday when I watched it. I watched it a couple of good times. It was about a bank robbery. And the cars that they were transporting money, they were actually got robbed. Loads of nice actors in that movie, but my problem is that I don't remember their names of none of the actors. Just which actor? The Dwayne Johnson is the one that I don't forget his name. Dominic Toretto, or his name is Don. Yeah. So let's drive today, guys. You see how you drive a truck on the third lane, which is a bit not allowed, but look at this guy. He's driving like a snail. Move on the first one, son of a woman. So move your ass on the first line if you are not. If not, I'm going to cut in front of you like that. You like it? If you don't drive, take the first lane. Let the other ones that they want to drive, that they are not paid by the hour. So, did you enjoy it? Enjoyed LA or not? So, take care, guys. I'm still in LA, but interesting stuff. They are not that much, just traffic, queues, and nerves. But I'm not the AI. Yeah, I'm real, flesh and bones. Take care. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Bye bye.